Welcome, in front of me is a Hotwav Note 12 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, navigate to storage, which is basically at the very bottom right here. And we need to tap on the drop down right over here. Find our SD card, which for some odd reason is called Android. Now, if you're struggling in figuring out which storage is which, you could do it based on the actual storage amount. So this is SD card because it has 64 gigabytes of storage, and the device itself has 128. So for me, it's a little bit easier to differentiate it, and it's also the storage of the phone is called this device, which obviously makes it abundantly clear which is which. And in here, we will now select the three dots and then select Format. It will give us a quick message letting us know that formatting this SD card will remove literally everything from it. So if you keep any kind of data, photos, music, whatever you keep on it that you don't want to get rid of, make a backup copy of whatever you don't want to have removed, and then you can go back here and then proceed with the format by selecting the Format SD card button. This will then remove everything from the card. This process only takes a couple seconds, and as you can see, it's already finished and the card is ready to be used once again. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.